Guys, we got a package in the mail. We are going to try an electric pressure washer. Let me get this out of its box.
Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a review video for you today and I'm pretty excited about it. I got a new power washer. I'm going to show you what she looks like along with my goose. This power washer is electric, boogie woogie, lightweight, hooks up to your hose, or can be dropped into a bucket of water and used as a pump. It is pretty high power. We'll go over the stats in a little bit. And yeah, it's electric, which makes me very excited because I don't have a hose spigot in my back porch. I have one outside here, but what's gonna make this even more portable for me, or I don't have an outlet everywhere and I don't wanna use gas. I do have a spigot out front. I don't have one in the back, but I can use a bucket or plug into my neighbor. But why am I so excited, you're gonna ask? All the videos I saw, people are washing their car and their sidewalk, which is great. I got 2 cats. We're gonna see what this thing can do to my kitty litter pans because they need a good cleaning, and I'm hoping that this power washer can do the trick. So all the stats will be listed of all the PSI and all that, which means a lot to some people, but to me, I just want it to work, and that's what we're gonna do. So it comes in many colors, very lightweight, easy to use, easy to store. You've got a pretty long hose here and a pretty long cord. But what I also like is it just plugs into your regular, I can just plug it into an extension cord if I need it. It doesn't need the ground and all of that. So check the description box below for a link if this is something you're interested in, and stay tuned because we're gonna wash some kitty litter pans together. All right, guys, we're gonna start with this pan. Let's see what she can do. It's coming clean. That one's going down. All right, guys, they're doing good. Obviously, we're getting a lot of spray. The power is amazing. If you've ever tried to clean a kitty litter pan, you know it's gross and it's hard, and these haven't been done in a while. So what I'm gonna do is corral the round thing into the grass, and I'm gonna try to get that one clean, and I will show you that. know, buddy. Come on, inside. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching that part. Now we're gonna clean the driveway. I did want to share with you that it also comes with the cleaning bottle. So you can open this up, put some cleaner in here like car wash, or I have Dawn dish soap. I didn't do that because I wasn't sure if Dawn would work in here. Gotta do some research on that. And I use Dawn because it's safe for the cats. I need to rinse these things off without the pressure, but the pressure took off all the goo. But now what we're gonna do is clean this driveway. And I wanna show you that, so give me a second. All right, are you ready to see what this thing can do to my soapy driveway? That all needs to be rinsed and dried, but first we're gonna get this driveway clean. What I like is your sprayer. I can do wide or super straight, depending, and then the closer you go or the further away tells us how strong it's gonna be. So we are just going to get the soap and stuff off my driveway. Oh yeah. That's gonna look fantastic. I'll bring you back. All right, guys, big fan of the power washer. If you live in an apartment, you're a little older, it's easy, lightweight, compact. You know, yeah, it's not a gas power, it doesn't have that kind of motor, but it is fantastic. What I love, lightweight, easy to move around, hooks up to my garden hose, plugs right in, super easy. The one thing I don't like so far is that cord, the hose. Could be a little easier to contain. It's very stiff, so it doesn't really wrap up. There's Wellington. It doesn't really wrap up super easy. I mean, if that's my worst complaint, I guess that's it. And I need to find out if there's other attachments for the nozzle. I do have 2 of the wands, so I can make it longer if I need to do higher up. I mean, think garage door, siding, cement. I did my walkway, cat litter, easy, wash your car. It's gonna get the bugs off. But I will say I'm a big fan of the power washer. And again, if you would like one, link is in the bio, and have a good day. Bye.